What is up, guys? We are walking on the Hoover Dam. Figured I'd give you guys a little tour over here so you can see how it goes. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys are new here, make sure you do drop a like and a sub. We are actually just crossed into Arizona, and we were in Nevada. So if you guys never been to the Hoover Dam, this is what it looks like. I'll show you guys a few different videos, and you can see me walking up as we put this together. So behind me back here is the Arizona intake tower. So that's the Arizona intake tower, and let's see if we can see it. That's because it's in Arizona. We're on our way to a Hoover Dam tour. We're gonna go on a dam tour. Yeah. Hopefully we'll see how big the line is. Let's see what we got. So we're just walking on top of the Hoover Dam. Basically just a dam. Holds back water. I do think they get a lot of power out of this dam, though. I don't have a lot of information on what the dam does. It's just something to do, so we decided to go to the dam and check it out. So we're in line to do the power tour at the dam here, guys. So I'll show you what that looks like when we get down there. I'm trying to capture my brother in the background. He's hiding. Let's see if I can. There he is. Hopefully you guys enjoy the Hoover Dam. A little different than a video game, but we'll give it a shot and see how you guys like it. There's Mom's commentary. Just to put it in perspective there, that's 145 feet from the top of the white to the water. And that's how far the water level is down. That is going to Lake Mead. And then this side over here is the Colorado River. So you can kind of see how high up we are here. We're probably, I'd say 200 or 300 feet up easy. And we're not even to the top. You can see the mountains above us, and then of course there's the expressway that goes over to get people to bypass the Colorado River here. So hopefully you guys enjoy the content, the video, the dam.